Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now come back again with me, Syarif Sulthon Hasbulloh. Now I will tell you about my house. Now this is house tour. The first, look at the first in front of in front of my house there is a little food there is, and then the right my house there is a garage for car. And then now inside the first there is living room for guests, but this is not sofa. Usually there is sofa here, little sofa here. Now then, and then there is pause again, and then we come inside again. There is a family room. In the family room, and then television, there is television, and then the under television there is cupboard. Then the in front of cupboard there is a little bed for watching television and talking with my family. Then we come in my bedroom. This is in my bedroom, but in the little bedroom, this enter here, but I never come in the afternoon because I come here only in the night until morning. Now the last there is kitchen. In the kitchen, small kitchen. This is cooking and etc. Okay, thank you very much. There is my house. If there is mistake in my speak, please forgive me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.